how to stop auto download on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of WhatsApp automatically downloading media files, then you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to stop auto downloads on WhatsApp in just a few easy steps. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. First and foremost, open up your WhatsApp Messenger and scroll down until you find storage and data. Tap on it and then you'll see media auto download. Tap on the photo option and it's set to Wi-Fi and cellular. What you have to do is tap on never, go back and set the audio option to never and the video option to never and even the document option to never, and that's it. Now your auto download on WhatsApp will be stopped until you change it again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.